Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to bring your Google Drive files directly into Canva without the hassle of downloading and re-uploading, this video is going to make your life so much easier. Today I'll show you exactly how to connect your Google Drive to Canva in just a few seconds. And this is the updated 2025 method that works perfectly. By the end of this video, you'll have your Drive linked, your files ready to use, and your workflow running faster than ever. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. It doesn't matter whether you're using the free version or Canva Pro, this method works on both, as long as you have an internet connection. Next, open any design or create a new one. Once you're inside your design workspace, look at the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find your elements, uploads, and other integrations. Scroll down to the Apps section and click on it. Canva now has a streamlined app library that allows you to connect external services. In the search bar, type Google Drive. You'll see the Google Drive app appear. Click on it. A small pop-up will open asking you to connect your Google account. Click Connect and sign in using the Google account where your files are stored. Make sure you grant Canva the permissions it requests. This is essential for Canva to access your files securely. Don't worry, it only lets Canva pull in files you choose to use. It doesn't change anything in your Drive. Once connected, your Google Drive will now appear inside Canva. From here, you can browse your folders, search for specific files, and import them instantly. Images, PDFs, and even some document formats can be brought straight into your Canva project without leaving the editor. One quick tip. If you frequently use Google Drive with Canva, keep the connection active. Canva will remember your login, so next time, your Drive will be just a click away. And that's it. In just a few seconds, you've successfully connected your Google Drive to Canva. No complicated steps, no third-party tools. Now you can design faster, collaborate easier, and access your files anywhere, anytime. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides, and let me know in the comments. What's the first file you're going to import from your Drive into Canva? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.